tail end of Hurricane Debby, August 5th, 2024. My first hurricane in the cabin. And it seems like we did pretty well here. There's probably 80-mile-an-hour winds come through last night. These oaks were swinging. I can't believe how much they move. But for the most part, I was worried about one landing on the room I was sleeping in. I was sleeping in that room right there, and you can see that a lot of trees right over it. But seems like we did pretty well. The river's rising.